Review Unit Test 1. Listen and write the letter.
Hello, everyone. Can I ask you some questions?
Yes. Yes.
1.
Hi, Lucy. How often do you go shopping?
I sometimes go shopping after school with my mum.
Thank you, Lucy.
2.
Daisy, do you ever write emails?
Yes, I write emails to my friends every afternoon.
Thank you, Daisy.
3.
What are you doing now, Nick?
I'm reading a comic. It's about superheroes.
Thank you, Nick.
4.
How often do you watch a DVD, Jim?
I sometimes watch a DVD on Saturdays.
Thank you, Jim.
5.
Anna, how often do you listen to music?
I listen to music every day. I love pop music.
Thank you, Anna.
6.
Charlie, what do you do on Sundays?
I always go skating in the park with my brother.
Thank you, Charlie.